Hi everyone, welcome aboard to our YouTube channel Fresher Platform Global, particularly BCom pursuing and pass outs. We are Fresher Platform Global Private Limited and we are offering financial accounting expert training. It is foundation level 1 and this is session 1, and this session deals with transactions, the general understanding and its importance of transactions. And these are the pros or advantages of this particular training. You can pause the video and you can go through these points. And reference to the transaction, what is the motive force which is running this world? It is a very important question. Okay, so everyone knows that the motive force which is running this world is money. So when it is the money which is running this world, then obviously how this particular money is being used by us and by the whole world is also an important question. So the money which we are using is like in the form of transactions. We use our money in the form of transactions. So it is the transactions which is actually running this world. Okay. So reference to my research and analysis, on a micro and macro level, transactions are associated with humans in such a way that we cannot avoid them before our birth and even after our death also. So this is the importance of transactions. We cannot assume our existence without transactions. Okay, so this is the importance of the transactions. And as far as the transactions are concerned, I have categorized them into two categories. One is commercial transactions and one is personal transactions. The commercial transactions, there are so many commercial transactions which are recorded in the business, but the core or the main activities are purchase and sales. And purchase is denoted by debit and the sales is denoted by credit. Every BCom student knows that the purchase account is debited and the sales account is credited. So directly or indirectly, the business is done with an intention to earn profits. Okay, so all the transactions which are recorded they have a purpose. The accounting is done for those transactions, and then the profit is whether the business has earned the profit or loss, that is a different thing, but the purpose is to earn profits. And at the other end, personal transactions, we generally we do personal transactions for our personal use, that is for consuming the goods or for the consumption of the goods or for the utility of the goods. We purchase the commodities, but sometimes we also sell the commodities which we purchase it for our personal use. So that is a different thing, but on the whole we purchase the goods for our personal use. So these are the two activities, and I don't think there is any third kind of activity. If you have any third kind of activity in your mind, then kindly let us know in the comment section. And ultimately hope you will agree that the whole world is doing debit and credit. Even the money is running this world, but the money has to be utilized in the form of transactions. So directly or indirectly, it is the debit and credit which is running this world, because every business has to record the transactions, and these two terms, that is debit and credit, are the two terms which is actually running this world in my perspective or in my understanding. So this is the motive force. And on the other hand, unfortunately, such important terms don't even have their proper definitions also. It is my observation. Okay. So this was something about the transactions in general. Okay, and that's all for this particular session, guys. As the conclusion is, accounting is done for commercial transactions of the businesses and not for personal transactions. It is clear. So let us understand everything, or the 360 degree, that is all the possible dimensions of the transactions, about transactions, in these 5 sessions. So I have split the transactions in 5 sessions, and everything will be explained very clearly about the transactions. The manual and modern accounting will be covered in these sessions, and hopefully this session has added a clarity and value to your knowledge. on the general understanding of the transactions. Thank you so much for watching this particular session of transactions, guys, and requesting you to like, share and subscribe our channel with near and dears. And our next session will deal with the definition of transaction and its specific understanding. Have a wonderful day, guys.